I believe I'm also being joined by Sonali Shah. Thank you very much for joining us. But Dr. Charuvali Khanna, I mean, look at this. It's just heartbreaking. We've found visuals of, the wedding visuals of the couple that's come out. What would it take for any family to even respond with basic dignity, basic empathy, if not even a
Absolutely.
basic sense of loss? And why I'm asking you this question, what has happened today in the court? You have you have a family who's had to go and challenge this entire system all over again, asking yet again for a second post-mortem. And the in-laws went right out there saying just one thing: give us the right for the final rights for the daughter-in-law. When a simple demand for a post-mortem, a second post-mortem, is being opposed by them, they are going to court and saying, why do you need a Delhi team to come? Don't you have enough faith in the team that's in Madhya Pradesh? Is this what this is really about?
Absolutely. I think it's really tragic that the girl's family, Trisha's family, has got no time to grieve. I mean, here their daughter was calling them out. She was seeking help. Unfortunately, they were not able to reach in time, and she died. I don't want to use the word suicide, which continuously is being used. It's very clear cut a dowry death because there are ligature marks. There's this so-called nylon belt, and which has not been given to the for forensic analysis to know whether this is the actual, the weapon of crime, in the sense that did she die with this is what led to the ligature marks. So there are many missing links, and it's absolutely strange that the in-laws who are being accused of allegedly murdering her and harassing her, they are saying we want to cremate her, we want the body. I mean, is it love? Is it absolutely lack of humanity? And the way the so-called mother-in-law, who is a judge, who has used all her influence, this case is a non-bailable cognizable offense. I don't know how she got, anticipatory bail in the first hearing, which is very rightly said. And she's not even cooperating with the police. 3 notices have been given, and she said she didn't receive them, or the police